Yagane ke Election Manifesto jongka TMC ke berkentup ke spotli ke jengkular ke TMC kabakan le la kawan ke bor senchar. La plat pat ba du National General Secretary ke All India Trinamool Congress u Abhishek Banerjee ha ke jengan lang Presiden ke TMC Meghalaya u Charles Pengrop unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M Sangma u MP ke Rajya Sabha u Derek O'Brien ki kertong ke TMC bat kiwe-kiwe. Kishpotli ki jingkular ke baga TMC ke kular ban le mardor la da kawan ha kabor kalong ban kentiu ya ke GDP jong ke jela bat ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya kabalat na ke jingdok ban sedang no ke jingti ya udo yong leng baga jing start science bat bandan ya ke mining policy baga dom keta ke jakpo jongno jongnoru nalorkan ni kalau kular ban ai kam lai lak ngot ha kisan snem bat ban ai ke allowance ke basya jar tengkai ke samla klem jam aduk karta ke ba arpuei haduk sopo snem lengba ke Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Card, bat on I job card ikitu ki badan bentah ke kam jung okai perthai. Haga bakini opdiang arhajar san sepat tengka man la ubnai. Ka TMC kalau kular ru ban ai syajar tengka man la ubnai ki kenthai kata khat arhajar tengka ha kisnam. Lengba ke Women Empowerment Scheme ban kentiu sa arpsan nak sispa ke grant ha ka kot ka kya ke pulih putih ke jingerap badan bayap kejing ai jing kersya ni ke basong kurem bat kejing ai baibam temen ya kinong trei ibaran jing dunah ki dekat med lengba ke Meghalaya Building and Construction Workers Welfare Board kalau kularu ban ai jing rap 10,000 tengka man la usnem ya kinong rap ak jela lengba ke farm scheme ban ai ya ke ration card ya bro kinong shong ha ga ba an pak survey biang ban kentiu ki pat ba ki beri ban yo ya ke ration Abhishek uluang melada ke TMC kawan nak bor kan penduk pendamno ya ke sos kular ke belaya soy dek sorkar Meghalaya bat Asam ha kejing penbej opot usam. Bat ke TMC kan bu iki border outpost ha ki jaka kaput ke beran marjan bat ke Asam. Uluang ba ke TMC kan ru dek private member bill ha ki yang dorbar tawan parlimen bandawa ban ajing itu no ekaktian khasi bat garo ha ke 8 schedule jong kariti senchari. Bat ke TMC kan pentreka mardor ya ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act arajar ka nrio. Nalor kan ke TMC kalau kularu ban kentiu ya ki kamel akai bat kamtam ban kentiu ki sap ki pong jong inong akai. Ban kentiu ki jaka pulih ki jaka ajing sumar bat kiwe-kiwe.
We make a pledge to ensure that in the last drop of our blood we fight to ensure that they are being implemented to the last person we have promised this pledge to. For peace, 10 pledges for prosperity, 10 pledges for Meghalaya's progress, and 10 pledges for Meghalaya's pride. What is Meghalaya TMC's vision for Meghalaya? Is to turn this state, beautiful state, into a model state across all sectors. The healthcare and education system will be revamped. The economy will be boosted for growth. The civic infrastructure will be made available for all. Indigenous rights will be protected at all costs. And no decisions will be anti-people or taken without their consent. This document that we present before you today, this has aspiration of lakhs of Meghalayans. This document, as I said, is not just a mere document. It is a vision document to show the world what Meghalaya is capable of. Number one, all social welfare pensions and schemes will be increased to the tune of 1,000 rupees per month. The present government and the pensions that they have been allocating or giving to a certain amount, certain sections of the people in the society. Not everyone, it's not universal. It is to the tune of 500, 550, 650 rupees a month. But keeping the skyrocketing fuel prices and the rising inflation in mind, we have taken a decision that all social welfare schemes to be increased at 1,000 rupees a month and 12,000 rupees annually, doubling the financial assistance to whether it's the PWD or the single mothers, widows or the senior citizens. And the second point I am trying to make under the Social Security for All is a social security scheme which will go by the name of Meghalaya Unite. Now what does Meghalaya Unite stands for? Meghalaya Unite is Meghalaya unorganized sector training and empowerment scheme. For all the 2,80,000 unorganized sector workers, to provide them with skill training, to provide them free healthcare, to give them term life insurance, and also provident fund benefits.